We are down to our final project, so this video is to give you a little more information about that. If you have questions, please watch this before asking, because maybe I'll answer it here. But this project is going to be due Tuesday, June 9th, so about 6 days from now at midnight. And the directions are here, so it's really asking yourself to reflect on the year and think, if you could talk to your future self, what would you say? Choose a template below and create a message to your 8th grade self that you'll be looking at like a year from now. So you have different templates to choose from, but whichever template you choose, we want the following information. We want you to think about glows and grows from this year in Avid. So what went well? What do you think could have gone better? We want you to think about 3 goals. One of those goals is going to be a personal goal that you have for yourself next year. One of those is for Avid, where can you improve in the Avid world? And the last one's going to be your choice. Any other goal that you want to set for yourself next year. The last question that we need you to address is to describe anything that you're looking forward to next year. What would you like to support in next year from your next Avid teacher? So please think about that as you're completing it. Okay, so step 1, you get to choose your template. You have 4 options. You can create a PowerPoint presentation where you answer all of the above. You can write a letter to yourself. You can write a poem, or you can do a Google drawing. So whichever format you choose, you just have to click on the template, and it's going to ask you to create a copy for yourself. So go ahead and just click copy, make a copy. So let me show you with, like, let's say the letter. You'd make a copy, and then here it gives you more directions on what to do. So it says please make a copy of this document before you start, but if you're here, that means that you've already done that. So it's reminding you what we need you to say. So this information is the same as the previous, but it's just letting you know that if you choose a letter, make sure you include 1 paragraph for each topic. So 3 paragraphs total. Make sure your paragraphs are at least 5 sentences, and it's kind of reminding you. So once again, you are welcome to choose whichever format you would like. Just remember that it is effort-based, so it's our last project of the year. Try your best. Make sure that you are doing great work that you are proud of. Let's say you are done with this. Step 2 is going to be to present live during our last class session. Our last class session is right here listed for you. It's going to be on June 10th, Wednesday, from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. So you are going to be giving your presentations during that time. Now you do have some options doing this. So you can complete your recording either through Flipgrid. I'll be providing a link for that soon, so you can click it here. You can also do it through YouTube, because a lot of you have your own YouTube channels, or I know I use YouTube because it's easy, and you can record it ahead of time. If you record it ahead of time, I'm going to be playing it during this class time, but you'll just have it recorded. And if not, you can just present it live like you usually would for a class. So you'll just present your information and we'll see it through there. Okay, so once you're ready to publish your work, it's going to ask you to click this link. So if you click this link, it'll take you to this page. Let's say you're all done with your project. So what I would like you to do is you'll type your name, Mrs. Cruz. All right, and then you're going to link your message. So that means, like, wherever you did your work. So this is your work right here, right? So you're going to click the share button. Make sure that it's open so that people in Garden Grove could see it, or you can even change this if you would like. So right now it's saying anyone in Garden Grove can view it. I know you can say like anyone with the link can open it too, but this is the safer one for you guys. So just make sure it's there. Make sure we can view it. Copy the link. Once you copy the link, you will paste it here. And then you will follow the same step for if you're pre-recording. Okay, so this one's optional, because remember, your other option is to present it during class time. It is part of your grade to present it, so just make sure that you are ready to go. And you still need to come to class even if you provide your Flipgrid or your video, because it's still our class time. So if you are doing it through YouTube or Flipgrid or whatever you choose, remember that YouTube usually has different ways to do this. So for example, I know I'm on if I go to my channel, I have my videos here. I can even click videos. So if I click this one open, and this is the one I want to share, all I have to do really is copy and paste this. address. So Control C to copy, or click right to copy, and then I would paste it here. Okay, so that's just kind of an idea of what to do. So this one is mandatory. I'm actually going to put this in parentheses so we can see mandatory. And this one is optional, because remember, your other option is to present it live. All right, so that's basically it. So these steps are required by Tuesday. Please ask any questions directly on this post after you have seen this video, which if you're listening now, you're watching it, so thank you. And then remember that try your best. It's your last assignment for Avid, and I'm really looking forward to seeing your work and the ideas that you guys have.